Let's talk about the latest launched VIVO smartphone S18e. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 91.99% screen to body ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 1800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 OIS main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, and with ring LED flash. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.8 GHz dual-core, Cortex-A715 plus 2 GHz hexa core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2. Onboard storage, no micro SD card slot, and S18e supports up to 12 GB of virtual RAM expansion as well as 50 GB of storage compression. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.35 by 74.85 by 7.69 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. The color options: black, purple, silver. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4800 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The VIVO S18e has been expected price in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 83,999 Pakistani rupees, and 2,099 Chinese yuan, and around $297 US, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 91,999 Pakistani rupees, and 2,299 Chinese yuan, and around $325 US. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this VIVO S18e smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.